Okay, let's come into tabletop position for the warm-up. Your shoulders are going to be above your wrist and your hip is going to be above your knee joint. Tighten your core and round your back. Today we'll be doing some hip mobility. Inhale and arch and come into neutral position of spine. So the first thing that we'll do is we'll make knee circles. You can start with a very small circle or make as big as possible. Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, you can keep increasing the diameter of the circle. 3, 4, and 5. Now you reverse the direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Perfect. Now we'll reverse. Same thing on the left side. You want to start with small circles with the knee joint and then slowly increase the radius. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Perfect. Take a couple of slow deep breaths. Relax. Come back into tabletop position. Extend your right leg to the right side so that your ankle, knee and hip are in the same line. In this position, try to raise your leg as high as possible. And slowly with control, you have to drop it down. We'll do it just 2 more times. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. And exhale down. Perfect. Again, take a couple of slow deep breaths and relax. And we'll switch. Same thing on the left side now. Extend your left leg out so that your ankle, knee and hip are in the same line. Slowly raise it up. And exhale, relax. Up. And relax. Up. And relax. Perfect. Sit in Vajrasana. And normalize your breath.